Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video of mine. Today I am going to discuss about iSpin XYZ and why is it so popular in Thailand. So do watch this video till the end and stay tuned while I share its salient features. Also, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make many more informative and exciting news for you. So, let's move further. Spinning on wheels is not an exciting sport, but it's also a great exercise. While people love skating, there are youngsters who are becoming pro at spinning with skating also. There are basically two kind of spin combinations, solo spin and paired spin. Let's first talk about solo spin combinations. The solo spin combination must be performed once during the short program of pair skating competitions with at least two resolutions in two basic positions. Both partners must include all three basic positions in order to earn the full points possible. There must be a minimum of 5 resolutions made on each foot. Spins can be commenced with jumps and must have at least two different basic positions. Both partners must include 2 revolutions in each position. Also, solo spin combination must have all three basic positions: the camel spin, the sit spin and the upright positions performed by both the partners at any time during the spin to receive the full value of points, and must have all three basic positions performed by both partners to receive full value of the element. A spin with less than 3 revolutions is not counted as a spin. Rather, it is considered a skating movement. If a skater changes to a non-basic position, it is not considered a change of position. The number of revolutions in non-basic positions which may be considered difficult variation are counted towards the team's total number of revolutions. Only positions, whether basic or not basic, must be performed by the partners at the same time. If a skater falls while entering into the spin, he or she can perform another spin or spinning movement immediately after the fall to fill the time lost from the fall, but it is not counted as a solo spin combination. A change of foot in the form of jump or step over is allowed. The change of position and change of foot can be performed separately or at the same time. Pair teams require significant strength, skill and control to perform a change from a basic position to a different basic position without performing a non-basic position first. They also have to execute a continuous movement throughout the change without jumps to execute it, and they must hold the basic position for 2 revolutions both before and after the change. They lose points if they take a long time to reach the necessary basic position. Pair teams earn more points for performing difficult entrances into the spins. Difficult flying entrances count, although backward entry into the spin and flying camel do not. All entrances must have a significant impact on the spin's execution, balance and control, and the intended spin position must be achieved with team's first 2 revolutions. The rules surrounding difficult variations, which also apply to single skaters and to both partners, are also worth more points. There are 11 categories of difficult solo spin variations. Considering spin combinations, both junior and senior pair teams must perform one pair spin combination, which may begin with fly spin during their free skating programs. Pair spin combinations must have at least 8 revolutions, which must be counted from the entry of the spin until its exit. If spins are done with less than 2 revolutions, pairs receive 0 points. If they have less than 3 revolutions, they are considered a skating movement, not a spin. Pair teams cannot, except for a short step when changing directions, stop while performing a rotation. Spins must have at least 2 different basic positions with 2 revolutions in each position performed by both partners anywhere within the spin. Full value for pair spin combinations are awarded only when both partners perform all three basic positions. A spin executed in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction is considered one spin. When a team continuously performs spin in both the directions that immediately follow each other, they earn more points. But they must execute a minimum of 3 revolutions in each direction without any changes in the position. Both partners must execute at least one change of position and one change of foot. If not, the element will have no value. Like the solo spin combination, the combination has 3 basic positions: the camel spin, sit and the upright. Also, the solo spin combination changes to non-basic position is counted towards the team total number of revolutions and are not considered a change of position. Fluctuations of speed and variations of positions of head, arm or free leg are allowed. Difficult variation of combined pair spin must have at least 2 revolutions. They receive more points if the spin contains 3 different variations, 2 of which can be non-basic, although each partner must have at least one difficult variation to be considered. A difficult exit in which the skaters exit in the spin in the left or spinning movement is defined as an innovative move that makes the exit significantly more difficult. If one or both partners fall while entering a spin, they can execute a spin or a spinning movement to fill up the time lost during the fall. So this is all about the spin XYZ. That is what I wanted to share with you. In case if you have participated in iSpin, or in case if you have visited any of such competitions, you can also share your viewpoint as a comment below. We read all your comments over every video, so guys, do keep commenting. Please like this video, share the video, and in case if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe our channel today. Stay connected, be informed, be safe.